Back in December of 2021, a full 13 months ago, the Bank of England began a tightening cycle that brought their base rate from 0% to a current level of 3.5%. Now, the initial move in the pound to the dollar at the beginning of the cycle was higher, as the Bank of England was 3 months ahead of the Federal Reserve in tightening. Of course, that strength didn't last long, as the Federal Reserve increased their aggressiveness at the same time the war in Ukraine created questions about the Bank of England's ability to focus specifically on inflation while dealing with the negative economic impacts of the conflict. So after bottoming in late September of 2022, the British pound exploded higher. It's currently up over 18% off its lows. The most recent leg higher in the pound has it up almost 3.5% in the last 2 weeks alone. Recently, the Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey was quoted as saying there could be a rapid fall in inflation in Britain amid a drop in global energy prices. Now, despite these comments, market expectations are still for the Bank of England to hike for the 10th consecutive time at their February meeting. Now, CME Group offers 3 different sized currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micro in these examples. If a trader believes that the British pound could continue its recent strength, they could express that by buying the March micro British pound futures contract at 1.2306 and target a move to the May highs of 1.2690. A stop for this trade could be placed below at 1.2100. This trade could make $240 if the target is reached and risks $128.75 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that the British pound could fall from here, they could express that by selling that March micro British pound futures contract at 1.2306 and targeting a move back to the January 6th low of 1.1866. A stop for this trade could be placed above recent highs at 1.2506. This trade could make $275 if the target is reached and risks $125 if you're stopped out of your level.